Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jennifer. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. I hope today is amazing as you are. Thank you for everything you do, for all your love and support. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Enjoy the rest of your day at the Philippines, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi Mom, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pagtrato niyo po sa akin na parang tunay niyo na rin pong anak. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga ginawa niyo po sa akin, lahat ng binigay niyo po sa akin, mula po sa hatid sundo niyo po sa akin sa school, sa work, and sobrang thankful po ako doon. And pati na rin po sa pagturo niyo po sa akin mag-drive, kayo po ni Dad, sobrang thankful po ako dahil nakakuha na rin po ako ng lisensya sa wakas. Alam ko pong kinabahan, na-stress po kayo the whole time na pagtuturo niyo po sa akin, pero nagstay pa rin po kayo para turuan ako, and sobrang thankful po talaga ako. You deserve everything na magandang bagay sa buong mundo po. And sana po mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong birthday nyo, and ayun po, sana po maging healthy po kayo for the upcoming years po ng life nyo, and happy birthday po ulit. We miss you.
Hi Mom, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, and hopefully you're having fun in the Philippines. Hope to see you soon, because I do miss running errands early in the morning with you, and our spontaneous adventures that we used to have, and hopefully that continues too. But I do appreciate all the love and support you have provided for me, because like I'm almost a nurse, and I hope you enjoy your day. But before I end this video, I just want to say a toast. So hopefully you have your alcoholic beverage with you. This doesn't have alcohol because I am still studying, sadly. But this quote is from Pitbull, and it says, "Life is not a waste of time, and time is not a waste of life. So let's stop wasting time, get wasted, and have the time of our lives." I miss you and love you. Cheers.
Hi Mom, I just want to say happy birthday, and I hope you're having a fun time in the Philippines. We miss you here, and we hope you have a great birthday. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for us, and thank you for always supporting us. We wouldn't be where we are without you, and I just want to say we really do appreciate you and that we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi, Mom. Even though I haven't shown how much I appreciate the amount of love, care, and sacrifice, from now on, I'll try to show you how much I appreciate everything you've done for me. Hey, I love you. Bye.
I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. You have been the best thing that ever happened to my life. You are the best wife and the best mom to our kids. Happy birthday and enjoy. Love you.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky.
Again, we just want to wish you a happy birthday. May this year be filled with love, joy, and happiness. God bless you.
Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday. Cha cha cha.
Patay gawin to say to Lola. Tita Lola. Sami, patay gawin to say to Tita Lola.
Happy cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, Chacha. Happy birthday, ate.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Anong age ka na, anak? Siguro nasa ano ka pa lang eh, kasi mukha ka namang hindi, ano eh, ano ba na siya? 40, ilang taon ka na ba, Junior?
40 na no?
Ha?
45.
45 ko na. 45.
45 na.
Si ate mo eh, ano lang siya eh, 47.
47.
47 ka na, anak. Pero mukha ka pa rin, 40 lang.
Oo.
Kasi ang beauty mo, hindi mo pinababayaan eh. Kaya thank you, anak ha. Maswerte ako sa inyo. At least kahit paano, pinagkakasundo kayo ng mga kapatid mo. At saka maswerte pa rin ako. At least, nandyan at alaga-alaga niyo ko. Hindi niyo ako pinababayaan. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Maswerte ako sa inyo, anak. Kahit ang daddy mo man nagliliwaliw sa mga Kaya pero sa inyo, swerte ako. At nakakasundo kayo. Nagtutulungan. Yan ang masarap sa sa magulang. Nakikita yung ang magkakapatid ay nagkakasundo. Hindi mabibili ng pera yan, anak. Kaya maraming salamat. At birthday mo, inaalala ko ng anak. Ikaw, masyado kang yung pagod mo, hindi mo na kaya minsan nag-aalala ako sa'yo dahil alam ko, ka rin, operada ka rin sa puso. Kaya mag-ingat ka, anak. Huwag mong abusuhin yung lakas mo. Oh. Kaya, sa akin lang, happy birthday. Maraming salamat, anak. Sana, abutin pa yung birthday mo sa mga ibibigay na apo mo at ibibigay ng anak mo na apo. Kaya alam ko, yung mga apo mo, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo dahil mahilig ka sa mga bata. Kaya, ganun na lang, anak. Ang sa akin, ingatan mo sarili mo at saka yung health mo. Kaya maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
We're wishing you a happy birthday, Jen, in the Philippines.
Happy birthday. We miss you.
Have an amazing time with your family.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Hey, Auntie Jen, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have a great time, and I just want to thank you for everything you do for us. We love you so much, and we hope you have a great time on your birthday, okay? Love you, Auntie Jen. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie Jen. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me. You're always the best. Thank you.
Hello po ate, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa buhay mo. Thank you po dahil nagiging channel of blessing ka sa akin. Hindi lang sa akin, sa family, sa pamilya natin. I pray na bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay, happiness, peace, and joy na mula sa Panginoon. Thank you so much ate, I love you. Mwah!
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on.
Happy birthday, Tita Jennifer!
Happy birthday, Jen! Thank you for being a good friend and generous friend. Wish you all the best. And sana marami pa tayong trips together. Out of the country naman next. Thank you!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, good health always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, friend! God bless!
Happy birthday.
Hello classmate, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Birthday surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything yet in life. And may you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.